Introduction and first background and second objective. So this is my part. What is a fruit? So fruits are the overflowing of water on the land, usually caused by heavy rain, poor drainage system, or land conservation, such as cutting forests in the housing or building. This disaster can occur suddenly and occurs in Indonesia. And next, why is this important? Because food provides natural and human interaction. Bojong Soban village offers food due to its low location and nervy river.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. Well, this one, research objective is number 1, identify the causes of freshwater floods in the Bojong Soban village. Number 2, to examine the impacts of the floods on the local community. Number 3, to evaluate the response and mitigation strategies for the floods. Next. So next there is a map of Tanjung Sari subdistrict. In this section there is the Bojong Soban village area. Nah ini tuh peta wilayah Kecamatan Tanjung Sari yang dimana ada desa Bojong Soban di sebelah sini, yang dimana ini tuh wilayah area yang rawan banjir, dimana setiap bulan musim hujan selalu rawan banjir karena terjadinya hambatan di sungai Citanuri dan Cikadang yang menyebabkan banjir di daerah desa tersebut. Next, carry on, topography. Flood in Bojong Soban village, Tasikmalaya, general effect. Flood overflow of water onto lake due to heavy rain for drainage and dam conversion. Number 2, it is a regular disaster in Indonesia which is called social and economic impact. Carry on, geographical condition of Bojong Soban. Location located in the lowlands it is first right rivers, Citanuri rivers, and Shire River. Prone to annual flooding, especially during high rainfall. Questionable floodings marked 2005. 83% of respondents featured high rainfall as the main cause, and 67% of homes were affected after no damage was done. Only 33% of children continued to go to school as usual. Mostly need assistance, food, and clothing. Residents considered private government response slow but helpful. Next, citizen notice. High community solidarity helping each other during this. Terus community suggestion maintain environmental cleanliness, do not litter, repair water channels. Taiwan conclusion building Dunia Sobat translate a complex problem in one term and human actives. Long-term solution furthers the infrastructure, community education, sustainable environmental planning. It's all for me. I will into the moderator.
Okay, next about procedure. Now let's welcome to Willie Prison.
Thank you, moderator. Next, about data search. Now, data search and research is in the study of the human village. Itu data search consists of two parts. One, the data study. Information was collected from books, articles, journal, and other writing materials relevant to research topic. And two, questionnaire for Bojong Soban village. We collected data directly from Bojong Soban village community by using questionnaire to be focused. Okay, next slide about results. Results used to support data collection and analysis process. Ada 5 ya. One was user form communication and possible outcome using questionnaire. Lalu yang kedua ada questionnaire dengan form for collection primary data from resident. Tiga, Microsoft Word. User for writing report and organizing information. And four, Microsoft Excel. User for processing and analyzing data, especially numerical data from questionnaire. And then layer Google. User for mapping and understanding the geographical information of Bojong Soban village. It is all from me.
Okay, thank you, Willie. So result timeline is data collection. Data collection, including questionnaire and data review, will be conducted from April 8 to April 12, 2025. Next. Okay, next. About flowchart of research step. The first, determining the problem to be researched, and two, determining the method of collecting information using questionnaire and literature review, and three, completing a questionnaire, creating and selecting relevant question, and four, distributing the question via WhatsApp after finalizing question, and five, data collection, and six, data recapitulation, putting data into one file to each processing question, and seven, data processing or interpreting data to address research objective, and eight, data analysis, interpreting data to address research objective, and the last, compiling a research report. Okay, next.
Okay, turn on. Total of firework. Here is a description of the distribution of the questionnaire, which is distributed by myself to people affected by the good health. Some of my acquaintances who were also victims of the disaster. One main result of the survey in Bojong Soban. Number one, close 93% say heavy rainfall. Number two, impact. 40% high water in your domain. Number three, low transport. 60% say harmful but desired. Number four, needs. 18% needed food, hotels, egg. Number five, prevention. 53% focus better drive, drainage, and infrastructure.
Okay, thank you, Sandy. Next, please.
Okay. Next, more theory of river overflow, ya. By Diana M. Italy. Nah, di The village is located in lowland area and crossed by two rivers, which are prone to overflowing, especially during the rains, sedimentation, and poor management of the river banks in Gunung Soban. Likely reduce the river capacity, making goods more pregnant and safer. Next, the bar chart show the flood water rate in Gunung Soban village from 2021 to 2025. In 2021, the water height was below 1 meter. However, from 2023 to 2025, the water height 2 meters. Now, this indicates that the severity in Gunung Soban village has worsened and remained in the few recent years. Itu from me.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Carry on.
Flood-prone area map. This is a map that shows areas that are often prone to flooding. Well, the blue color shows Cicalung Village. Yang ini warna biru wilayah desa Cicalung. Nah, selanjutnya the yellow one show Hegarsari Village. Nah, warna kuning menunjukkan daerah desa Hegarsari yang terkena dampak banjir. Dan yang terakhir, and the last one is the red forest family Mekarsari. Nah, yang tadi itu ada Mekarsari di ujung sana yang berwarna merah. Nah, di sana sampai ujung sana itu terkena rawan banjir. Sekian dari saya.
Okay. Next, Kini.
Excuse me. I ask a question. Hello. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nawadika. I ask a question. Could you please mention what management strategies based on regional geography approach that can be applied in Gunung Soban?
Oke, di sini saya mau menjawab pertanyaan dari Noto. Yang pertama itu, flood management in Gunung Soban include land use planning, water infrastructure, community improvement, and regional cooperation.
Jadi untuk strategi penanggulangan banjir Gunung Soban itu dapat dilakukan dengan menata ulang pemanfaatan lahannya. Dengan menata ulang pemanfaatan lahannya sehingga daerah rawan banjir berfungsi sebagai daerah tampakan air, mengurangi genangan air. Selain itu diperlukan edukasi masyarakat dan Gunung Village was caused by meteorite. The impact was dramatic, like and the government's response. It is still applicable. Lalu mengenai next slide, rekomendasi besaran. Improve the drainage system so that water flows quickly and does not stagnate. Accelerate the distribution of resident actively include prevention efforts. With the steps, it is hoped that the flood management in Gunung Soban village will be more effective and its impact can be minimized.
Oke, sekian dari kelompok kami. Mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.